Hello everyone. Today we will discuss market positioning. Earlier we discussed about the market segmentation and market targeting. Now, what market positioning it is? It is related to the company's offering, or we can say company's the effort to create image of the product in customer perception. Means they try to build a difference between means if I have a company, so I will make a difference between my product with the other product, so that customer can easily accept it. Okay, and how make a difference? The difference is not about the to do with the production department, it is about the difference making in the customer mind. Means we are not going to do with our product like a physical appearance of the product, we can say the quality of the, we make a difference how to customer will react, or how customer will customer have a image about the product. Okay, that is the market positioning. Means create a difference between company's offer and competitors offer in the customer mind. Okay, what customer mind is? The customer mind always relate with the there are with the differences. Means the importance of the product, or we can say the superior, or this is affordability. So that is the differences. So market positioning is creating a, we can say, creating a offer, creating a offering, we can say creating offering an image of to occupy target customer mind. Okay, so the positioning, if we will take one example to become very easily for us. Okay, hope if we have a simply is if you look at the automobile market. Okay, so the Scooty Honda offer. Okay, and all means they all offer. Their TVS is offering their scooty means the two-wheeler without gear. Okay, so Honda is offering, Hero is offering. Okay, so they all are offering one product is a automobile, two-wheeler automobile without gear, but the image about the Honda Activa is very different from the other two-wheeler mobiles. Okay, so how it is done? It is done by the market positioning. Means it put in the customer mind that Honda is the superior, or we can say Honda Activa is very best scooty. Okay, so that is the market. How you position means how you place your product in customer minds, which could be different from the other competitor products. So how it could be? There are several differences of. Okay, so first we discuss the discuss the differences. On that basis we positioning our we can say a positioning is going to happen. The first is important. The important means relate to the high benefits of the product, which is create a difference between your product to company product. Distinctive means how it is different from the, if you positioning your product means how it different from the competitor products or other products. Superior means it lead in the product line, again so that it become a superior or the leader of the product. Okay, the preemptive means how it is different from the competitor's mind. Okay, means if we are the preemptive means if there is no competitor in the in that segment, in the product lines. Okay, affordable means that is the, how you can say, it is the customer's most important difference. Means if it is affordable, customer will buy. And the profitable, how it is profitable for the customer minds, means how it is related with his profit with this product. Okay, that is the differences. On that basis we try to position our market. So the position strategy, next topic it is. So how do we position our product? So first in attributing position, we try to position product benefits in the front line. Means if you take our product So if you take our product, you will be get more benefit from the other product. That is, try to build an image of product in customer mind. Okay. So second is the benefit position, again the same, but how it is different others. I mean say how it is benefit more other than others product, means how it multitasking about it. Use positioning means there is the use of the particular situation, means you can the particular such uses are will there, okay, with this product. That is the user position means it is the customer related. Okay, the user means the user they using, okay, they have the again build let's say brand image about the product. The competitor positioning means whenever we try to position our product, so we position competitor means we, so that will be a how it is different from the competitor and how it is leading from this market segment. Okay, and last one is product category. Product category, again we take it is a superior, okay, it will be leader of the product. That is the product category positioning. Second, the last one is quality and the price positioning, means we position our product in such a way that quality positioning means our product will be good in the quality. That is the positioning of our product. So customer those who think about their perception about the quality is very high, so they will go for the product. And where the pricing position, where they are price concern, okay, so that you can say the tagline of the Kifayati Daamon mein, means that is the positioning of the product of in the price term, that is the price positioning. So this is all about the market positioning and their strategy. Thank you.